How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. A company called NouveauWare contacted me to review their sous vide machine. So I said, why not? Do I get to keep it? Of course. Well, then the pleasure's all mine. And this machine performs so well with fantastic results. I did a Southwestern sous vide burger, and I'll tell you what, it was absolutely delicious. Juicy, cooked to perfection. So I thought, why not? Anyway, sit back and check it out. Oh, I forgot. Link is below if you want one of these beauties. Anyway, thanks, guys. Do you really need a $500 sous vide machine? The answer is no. I'm going to be using a $65 machine that can create the same results. The NouveauWare Sous Vide Cooker. The machine easily clips on to a heat-proof plastic or stainless steel container. The water level should be between minimum and maximum. On the front, you have your temperature display, time, indicator light, add key, subtract key, setting key, and start and stop key. For 3 seconds, press the settings key to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Again, for 3 seconds, press the start key. To change temperature, press the add key or subtract key. For the burger meat, I'm using an 80-20 split. Shape the meat into a ball, press down, shape into patties, and don't overwork the meat. Season well on both sides and add the patty to a Ziploc bag. When the machine reaches to the temperature you want, add the patty and remove air. By removing the air, it will float a lot more easier. Now seal and cook. For the pickled jalapenos, slice green and red. Add vinegar to a pan, followed by sugar and jalapenos. Stir. Bring to a light boil, then transfer to a bowl to cool. For the chipotle slaw, thinly slice red cabbage. Add to a bowl, then grate carrot. Add mayonnaise. Stir well. Add vinegar, sugar, chipotle sauce, and mix well. At the end, add cilantro, season to taste with salt and pepper, and mix well. When cooked, take out the patty. On a very hot grill or flat top, sear for about 45 seconds. Add cheese and serve. The NouveauWare performed amazing, and it cooked the burger to perfection.